to enable or disable auto backup clock to Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accounts and Backup. Tap Samsung Cloud. Tap More icon. Tap Settings. Tap Sync and Auto Backup Settings. Tap Auto Backup. Tap Clock Switch until blue to enable or tap until gray to disable. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.